Congratulations, good to see you again a second time. And here's for you first. And then let's see the cup. Who is the second person coming?
Is the coach.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go to the cup is coming.
Well. Are you new to the team? You didn't come, you were there. Okay. Congratulations. Well, get it from the coach.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You can come here, Ami. Ami, this way. Thank you so much. God's feel free. Thank you so much. And he's gradually walking up with the trophy in a very majestic manner and style. Yes, you can see the smile on her face. Very beautiful smile. Yes. Move on. You deserve it. It's your time. It's the time. This is the time. And there it is. The Vice President receives the trophy. Raises it up. Yes. That's it. That's the style. That is the style. And yes. And he hands it over to the First Lady in turn. And the person will not do anything in English. He has voted that all hands be on deck as Mr. President would always advocate. Right, please. Thank you so much. Please, other members of the team could please come around and have the presidential. Thank you. This is it. A symbol of nationality, a symbol of pride, a symbol of collectivism, and of course, it is just what. Yes. Thank you so much, Mr. President. Thank you so much. Thank you. As we conclude this event, for you presenting him. Thank you. As we draw the curtains for this event, may we take the national anthem once more. Okay, just a second. Mr. Vice President and our dear First Lady, the coach says he would want to make a presentation to you. To the First Lady, okay. He's handed it over to Mr. Kira. Mr. Kira in turn is everyone. There she goes. Please, a round of applause as she receives yet another gift again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Stand on existing protocol. Good evening, everyone. I just want to say on behalf of the Tigers that we are so thankful to be here today. I'm thankful that we get to represent our country. We're thankful to be able to continue our excellence in our sport, the gift that God gave us. It means the world to us to be able to be hosted here today and to be able to represent our country in this way, to bring back another championship, to be able to inspire young women, young girls around the world, that they can one day too be in our shoes. And I give thanks to every one of our staff, GM, coach, Ugo, doctors, SEC, president, chairman, everybody. We thank you all for your support and your continuing support in lifting us higher, because I don't think the sky is our limit. I think we can go beyond and we can break barriers. Thank you.
Beyond being ambassadors of this great nation in a place of excellence, you have once again reminded us of the promise of sports in a nation this diverse. This victory is what happens when we work together. You have not only brought home a trophy, you have brought home lessons for all of us. It is therefore an ultimate honor and pleasure on behalf of President Bola Tinubu, DCFR, to welcome you to the State House, our formidable women's national basketball team, the Tigers. We are continental champions once more, and now the first African team to qualify for the 2026 FIBA Women's World Cup qualifying tournament. You have conquered Africa and opened the door to global greatness. Your emphatic victory over Mali with a final score of 78-64 is a declaration not only of your tactical superiority, but of your readiness to dazzle the world. And I assure you that you are going forth with the blessings and support of the entire nation. My dear daughters, you fought back from behind in the first quarter, not with panic, but with poise. You wore the green and white, not just as colors, but as a symbol of conviction and hope. And now, you wear this crown as Queens of African basketball for the 5th consecutive time. To Coach Wena Wakama, you represent the evolution of leadership in Nigerian sports. Your quiet strength and historic achievements have shattered ceilings and inspired countless young girls nationwide who now know that no dream is too bold for a Nigerian woman. Indeed, you deserve your award as the best coach in Africa and the world. To Ani Okonkwo, the tournament's most valuable player, and Eji Nyekalu, the top scorer in the final, your brilliance elevated the entire team. But most importantly, you do not play for yourselves. You play for and won with Nigeria. Let me take a moment to reflect on a greater truth. Nigerian women have never failed the nation in sport. From the Super Falcons, standing tall on the world stage,
to our athletes breaking record on the track, and Tigers building a basketball dynasty. Our women have consistently made us proud. They have shown the world that when opportunity meets preparation, Nigerian excellence is inevitable. We owe you not just applause for decisive action. That is why, under this administration, we are repositioning sport as a key pillar of our national development strategy and economic drive. Sport is not merely entertainment, it is infrastructure, it is education, it is diplomacy. It is a powerful tool for youth employment, economic transformation, and global engagement. On behalf of President Bola Tinubu, I want to extend special appreciation to the National Sports Commission under the leadership of Malam Shehu. The Commission's renewed focus on athlete welfare, institutional reform, grassroots support, and performance-based development is already yielding results. Let this be a signal that we are on the right path. I'm very proud of you. I also commend the Nigerian Basketball Federation, led by a former basketballer, Malam Ahmadu Musa Kida, who also serves as the chairman of the NNPC Limited, for his consistency in team development, strategic planning, and sacrifices for Nigeria's glory. Malam Ahmadu is personally known to me, and I have known the resources, his personal resources that he has invested in the development of basketball in this our great nation. Malam Musa, we are most grateful. I congratulate and honor you on behalf of the government and the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As a government, we will ensure that Tigers and their technical crew are adequately recognized and rewarded, as well as the leadership of sports in Nigeria for their service to the nation. You have made us proud, and we will stand by you as you prepare for the global stage. To all our young people watching today, let the story of these Tigers remind you that greatness is a product of hard work, discipline, and belief. There is a video circulation of some middle-aged women that are being pushed to go to the football field. Nigeria belongs to those who dare to dream and are willing to give their best to make those dreams a reality. To the Tigers, you are champions. You are role models. You are pathfinders. You are true daughters of the land. It is my singular honor and pleasure and privilege to cherish forever to make the following pronouncements on behalf of President Bola Tinubu. Well, am I allowed to continue? ON National Honors for Team. ON National Honors for Team, Coach, and Technical Team. $100,000 for each player. Over. Yeah, all the good is coming. $50,000 US for coach and technical team this moment. And wait for the final icing on the cake. One flag is for players, coach, and technical team. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is leadership. President Bola Tinubu has shown leadership by recognizing and rewarding our daughters who have excelled on the continental stage. May God bless all around. May God bless Nigerian sports. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.